Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Perez Nieto and today let's experiment with some ink in a fountain pen. With this I will try to draw a woman with a falcon. Let's begin by using a brush pen with burgundy red ink which I diluted with water to make it a little bit thinner, lighter. I started by drawing the shape of the head of the woman from behind, then the shoulder, and this is the left arm. The elbow is against her body because it will be carrying some of the weight of a large falcon that she will have on her hand. Let's draw her other arm and then her short dress that will be flapping in the air with the wind. Then I switch to a fountain pen to draw in more detail, to draw the falcon. I mark the overall body first, then the wings, the shape of the head, and the beak. The hooked beak, then the eye. Now, if I am happy with the outline, I can begin giving a little bit more detail. And if I were not happy, I think I would have to throw it in the garbage, because this ink cannot be erased. After sketching the falcon, let's do the hair and complete her body with her legs. Then I'll begin shading. The ink in this pen is the same one that I was using in the brush, except that it is direct. It is not diluted, and therefore it is darker. Let's shade the legs. Our light source will be on the right, in front and to the right. And now the falcon carefully. The wings have an area which is darker and the edge toward us lighter. Let's do the tail down here. This is a peregrine falcon, so the top of the head is dark and the body is light with dark spots. Like so. The tip of the beak is also very dark and we shade it. Very good. The glove, the falconer's glove, and then we can shade the arm and the body. Now I go back to the brush pen and give a pass to all the areas in shade. This not only adds ink, but also softens and dilutes the one I added with the fountain pen, since it is water soluble. With this, I also do the sea, little waves on the water. I like it how it is looking. Very good, excelente. We refine and add a little punch to the shading with the fountain pen. We do her shadow, and then we should also sketch some clouds, carefully and lightly. Now I want to see the difference with this drawing in which I used the fountain pen but also a brush to how the same drawing would have looked done by just using the fountain pen. So I'll redo it rapidly and the video is very sped up so that I don't have you here a long time. We do not need to go through all the process again. This is easier just by doing the hatching and cross hatching. Okay, we are nearly there. Let's just do the sea and the shadow. And here you have it. I would love to know which one do you like the most? The one on the left done with the pen and brush, or the one on the right only with the pen? I have to tell you, before I drew these two, I also did a more rapid sketch in my notebook to work out how it would all be. Yes, I confess, I love drawing so much. That's all for today. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, share it to your friends and subscribe to find our tips. And I will see you on Tuesday.